Thank you for checking out Snappy. It's Ron here, along with Venkata Ramana, and we're excited to show you a weird yet extremely effective technique for making money online. And believe me, you've never seen anything like this before. Oh, and this isn't just another one of those push-button apps. There are enough of those on the market already, right? And when have those ever worked for you in the first place? Needless to say, those push-button apps are a complete and utter waste of time. Snappy is completely different. It's light years ahead of everything else out there. Snappy allows us to get paid $321 daily with zero hard work whatsoever. It's all thanks to this little-known 30-second copy and paste technique. And here's how it works. Step 1, copy the unique link we give you inside the members area. Step 2, paste that link where we show you to. And 3, that's it. After we've completed those 2 steps, we get paid. And it doesn't get any more simple than this. I could hand this over to my 10-year-old son and he'd have no problem making money. And the best part, you can rinse and repeat this copy and paste process as much as you'd like. In fact, we've scaled this to a large income. Just how much money? Well, we're making around $10,000 per month in additional profits, and all it takes us is 5 to 10 minutes of daily work. If you're wanting to get paid without the hard work or the headaches, then this is it. With Snappy, there are no barriers. No paying for traffic, no domain required, no hosting required, no website required, no affiliate marketing, no hard work, no technical skills, no e-commerce, no product creation, no headaches, no flaming hoops to jump through, no nonsense. You see, Snappy gives you everything you need to start seeing results with no expenses whatsoever. And no experience is required either. Whether you've been trying to make money online for 2 weeks or 2 years, it doesn't matter. Just follow our 30-second copy and paste trick and you're all set. This isn't rocket science, but Snappy certainly produces atomic-like results. So how much will Snappy cost you? You're probably thinking a system like Snappy would be expensive, and you're partly right. Snappy was originally reserved for our high-paying coaching students who invested a minimum of $2,997. But to celebrate going public, we're going to sell this at a price anyone can afford. Not $2,997, not $997, not $97, not even $27. Just a one-time investment equivalent to a cheap t-shirt grants you full access to Snappy. I mean, that's not much to ask for a system that's backed by years of results. And most importantly, it's dead easy to use. But there is a catch. This discount will only be available to the early bird users of Snappy. Frankly, we don't want tire kickers in our community. The reality is, regardless if you get Snappy or not, taking action is mandatory for making money online. We want people who take action quickly, because those are people who we can help succeed. So, with that being said, if you want to access Snappy, if you want to uncover our 30-second copy and paste hack that allows us to make $321 per day by using it, then don't wait. And there's no risk with our 100-day better than money back guarantee. If you don't see results, just let us know within 100 days and we'll send you your money back plus another $200 for wasting your time. There's no way for you to lose here. Listen, it's time to make a decision. I'm not going to try to convince you anymore. It's either now or it's never. Pick up a copy of Snappy and never look back. Or continue what you're doing and hope that you succeed one day. I mean, the choice is yours. So click the button below to grab a copy of Snappy while it's still available at a low one-time price. And I'll see you on the inside.